What's up guys, this is Gaurav here. Today we are gonna write a program in C++ to find whether a number given to us is a palindrome or not. So before we get started, let us know about the word palindrome. So the palindrome number is a number which remains the same when its digits are reversed. Like for example, we have 15651, and now if you read it from left to right or right to left, it remains the same, so it is a palindrome. But say if you have 256 and now you read it from left to right or right to left, it doesn't remain the same, so it is not a palindrome. So we are going to write a program in C++, but before we write a program we should know the logic behind the program. So for example, if you have 171 and you have to check whether it is a palindrome or not, what will you do? You will extract each digit of this number, which are 171, and then we will reverse them, combine them, and check whether the number obtained is equal to the number given to us. If it is equal, then print the number is a palindrome. If it is not, then print it is not a palindrome. So let's get started. First we will write the preprocessor directory, which is in this case include iostream. Then using namespace std, then int main. Now we are gonna declare 4 variables, each of int type. First will be num, which will store the input number from the user. Then we will have temp, which will store num. Why we are storing the num in temp? Because num will undergo many operations in this program and it will not remain the same, and we need num to compare it with the reversible number, so we are storing it in temp. Then we have digit. So what will digit store? Digit will store the digits of num. And then we have rev, which will store the reversed number, and it will be equal to rev is equal to 0. Then we will ask the user to input a number, so we will say enter a number, and now we are gonna save that number in num, and we will say temp is equal to num, and we'll store num in temp. Now here comes the main logic of this program. We'll say while num is not equal to 0, we will now how to like in the example of 171, now we have to extract each digit. Now how to extract the last digit 1? We will do by taking the modulus by 10. So we'll say digit is equal to num modulus 10, so it will give us 1 in the case of 171. Alright, then we have rev. Rev is equal to rev into 10 plus digit, and then we have num is equal to num divided by 10. Alright, now what will in this case what will happen? Rev is 0 as we have initialized it in here, so rev into 10 is 0 in this case, and digit is 1, so rev will be 1. And then num is 171, it will divide it by 10, and we will get 17, not 17.1, because it is a integer division. So in this case num will be 17, and 17 is not equal to 0. It is true, it will execute again. We will get digit is equal to 7, and now rev is 1. 1 into 10 is 10 plus 7, it will get rev is equal to 17. Again num will be divided by 10, we will get num is equal to 1. 1 is not equal to 0, it will again execute. Digit will be equal to this time 1, and 17 into 10 is 170. 170 plus 1 is 171, and now if I divide 1 divided by 10, we will get 0, and which is equal to 0, so the loop will not run further, so we will get out of the loop. And now if we say temp is equal to rev, which we got here, is equal, then we will say the number given to us is palindrome. Alright, semicolon. Then now if it is not equal, then else see out the number is not palindrome. Alright, now we are gonna save it and run it. First we're gonna save it, like suppose I have saved it like palindrome.cpp, then save it. Yes, so here we go. Here's the enter number. Suppose I have entered 151. Enter the number given to us is a palindrome. Like in this way we are gonna find whether the number given to us is palindrome or not. But now if we try to enter another number which is not a palindrome, see what happens. So here we go. Suppose I enter 1478. I know it is not a palindrome, so let's see what happened. Yeah, it right, the number is not a palindrome. And one more thing, you can also make the program to write the reversed number. So here we will see out print rev, or you can say make it more friendly. Reversed number is, you say rev, and here also make it something. Yes, this is more comfortable than other. And again run it, enter a number, let's say 565154. The reverse number is 451. The number is not a palindrome. Now let's add another line here because it is not comfortable to read. Handle. Yes, here we go. Alright. So now if I enter 1 2 3 4, it says the reverse number is 4321, which is true, and the number is not palindrome, which is also true. So in this way we can find whether the number given to us is a palindrome or not. Hope you like the video. Thanks.